In this video, I'm going to dive deep into AskGene AI and give you the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. If you're looking to make your workflow smoother, save time, and elevate your digital processes with cutting-edge technology, stick around, because this might be the tool you've been waiting for. First off, AskGene AI is a next-gen tool that combines AI-powered insights with an incredibly intuitive interface. What makes it stand out from the hundreds of other AI solutions out there? Well, it's designed to simplify your day-to-day tasks by offering personalized recommendations based on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're in digital marketing, business development, or any field where time and efficiency matter, AskGene helps you streamline decision-making. But here's something to consider before we go deeper. You can try AskGene AI for completely free, using the first link in the description below. No need to commit until you see how it works for you. Now, let's talk about why. AskGene AI is worth your attention. First, it's known for its lightning-fast processing. The AI has been built to provide instant, real-time results, which is crucial when you're working with time-sensitive tasks. For digital marketers or entrepreneurs who need data-driven decisions in seconds, AskGene truly delivers. And the beauty of it is, it doesn't bombard you with unnecessary information. It filters and refines, offering just what's needed for you to make informed choices. The second thing to highlight is AskGene's adaptability. Whether you're working with small-scale projects or large enterprises, the software adjusts its features to match the complexity of your needs. It has this incredible ability to tailor itself for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Another thing you'll love about this AI is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be an AI expert to leverage the power of AskGene. Its simple design means you can jump right in without needing a long learning curve. This makes it perfect for those who want to leverage AI without the tech overwhelm. Moving on. AskGene AI offers great integration capabilities. Whether you're using it alongside your CRM, project management tools, or any software in your tech stack, it seamlessly connects, making sure your workflow stays uninterrupted. So you don't have to worry about switching tools or losing efficiency. Now, one of the standout features of AskGene is its highly effective customer support. While many AI tools are great, they often leave you stranded if you run into issues. But AskGene offers real-time assistance with an easy-to-reach support team, which is rare in the world of AI software. Here's something you'll want to hear, especially if you're looking for value. AskGene's affordability. Given the range of features it provides, the pricing is surprisingly competitive, especially when you compare it to other options on the market. For what you get, it offers incredible value and is an excellent investment for businesses looking to scale quickly. Lastly, what really sets AskGene AI apart is its continuous updates. The team behind AskGene is always evolving the software, ensuring it stays ahead of trends and integrates the latest AI advancements. If you're someone who wants a tool that grows with the industry, this is it. Before you go, don't forget, you can try AskGene AI for free through the link below. Trust me, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've seen how quickly this one can boost productivity and help you make smarter decisions. I've also included other AI tools that I recommend for us in the description. If you're into optimizing your workflow, these will give you a head start. Make sure to check out the tools below, and I'll catch you in the next video.